Hi there, and welcome to week 7 in our course, which is the last week in our journey together. It's been a privilege and an honor to guide you through this course. This last class here looks at the healthy aging process as well as the challenges associated with the aging process. This particular section explores issues of death and dying and also of grief and loss. It's important to remember that death and dying, grief and loss can occur across the lifespan, and some of our readings this week capture that. Later adulthood is complex biologically, psychologically, and socially. Understanding this complexity is important when working with this population, their families, and their loved ones. So the first thing that I invite you to do is to carefully peruse our objectives and readings as well as the videos for this particular week. So you're invited here to read a selection from chapter 12 in our Rogers text. There's also a really insightful article with regard to successful aging and creativity in later life. And you have here these videos about later adulthood. So this week you are invited to participate in 3 different discussion board postings. The first one is about your older adult oral video presentations. So what I'd like you to do here is to post the YouTube links to your older adult oral video presentation to the discussion forum. So this will count as your initial post for this forum. So for this particular forum, please make sure that you're responding to at least 4 classmates, preferably somebody who doesn't have responses yet. So in your responses, please complete the following. Number 1, view the videos that are posted by your peers. And number 2, please describe what you've learned from your peers through their presentations regarding the developmental stage and theories of development. So please make sure that you're giving specific examples from your colleagues' presentations. So for this particular post, your initial post is due on Thursday, and your follow-up responses are due between Friday, with the final deadline being 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday. So your second week 7 discussion board post is all about Dr. Elizabeth Kubler-Ross's theory of death and dying. So for your initial prompt post, using Kubler-Ross's theory of death and dying from the textbook, please choose one person from the video, Jen Silent, and assess them according to the model of death and dying. So please make sure that you're following up with at least one classmate, preferably someone who does not yet have responses. And again, this initial post is due on Thursday, with your follow-up response being due by Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So your third and final week 7 discussion board posting is all about the longevity survey activity. So for step 1, I invite you to go to this website here via Northwestern Mutual and complete the instructions on the website. So this will provide you with an estimated life expectancy considering your current age, gender, family history, and lifestyle. So for step 2, after you've completed the exercise, consider the following 2 sets of questions and discuss your answers to the questions listed below in the discussion forum. So you're not going to be graded on the, quote, right answers, unquote, but by how much you've personally considered your own aging and the impacts of this process on past and future life decisions. So here are the questions. The first question is, what lifestyle factors are associated with either a long or short life expectancy? Secondly, have you ever considered these factors consciously? And thirdly, what changes, if any, might you consider in order to improve your quality and or quantity of life? So the second set of questions involve potential life expectancy. So the first question here, looking at a potential life expectancy, what things have you done or not done to prepare to live to old age? So secondly, what planning or changes are necessary for you at this time to accommodate your own aging? And thirdly, what have you taken away from this particular exercise? So again, you're not required to respond to peers for this particular forum, but you're invited to do so. So also too, I want you to deeply respect your own need for privacy and only reveal things here that you feel comfortable with sharing with your peers. So I wanted to remind you, don't forget to upload strong artifacts from this course to your e-portfolio. So check in the syllabus to see the list of suggested artifacts as well as the competencies and related behaviors they meet. So make sure that you refer to the frequently asked questions page in the MSW Student Resource Center for more information about your e-portfolio. And I also strongly encourage you to complete the course evaluation survey. So your feedback is really important to us here at Widener, and I've actually seen some wonderful changes that have been made to courses based on feedback that students have provided. So your feedback is definitely considered, honored, and listened to. So again, it's been an honor to guide you through this course, and I wish you the best of luck as you continue your academic journey here at Widener.